YouTube, how we doing? How we feeling? It's your boy Prince Derek 25, and I'm back with a review, with an unboxing. My first sneaker unboxing to be exact. Yeah, you know the name, you know the box. You can't go wrong with a pair of Nikes. We have the Nike airmax Aces, size 10.5 in men's, of course. Retail price $90. I picked these bad boys up from Dick's Sporting Goods, and yeah. Shall we unbox? Shall we unbox this? I think so. Don't act like you guys don't do this. I know you guys do this when you get something new. You guys smell it. You guys smell it. But yeah, you gotta love fresh sneakers. You gotta love the smell of fresh sneakers. Here we go, guys. Check these out. These look super clean. I got the blue and white colorway. See the Air Max bubbles on the bottom? But yeah. They're super clean. Sorry about the lights. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Check these guys out. I love white. I love blue. These are some bad boys for the summer. Yeah, man. Here's the other sneaker. Yeah. You guys like the Nikes, Adidas, Jordan? What's your sneaker of choice? Comment below, let me know. And let me know if I should do some more sneaker reviews and unboxings. Yeah, check this out. Check the lace holders. You know what? There we go. They got these in. I like the lace holders. It says Air on this side, and then it says Max on this side. That's pretty neat details. But yeah, what you guys think? Fire or trash? I think fire. But yeah, there we go.